So observe something here. Like I said, this is the PM greeting Biafrans in the court, inside courtroom, as he was greeting Biafrans and having handshake and saying, welcoming people and all that. Everybody was happy. Then the handshake and everything is still going on. Pay attention here. Nan, watch. Now, this is Chioma Okeoma. Others are having handshake. She said, come, come, come and hug me. Okay? Now, watch this hug. Now, what did she do? She said, PM, go, 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 go. You know why? Because she think that she own PM. She actually believed that she's the one, telling PM what to do, how he lives his life and everything. Pay attention. We are not done yet. In Ania, gaba, 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 gaba. I told us this yesterday, but pay attention. Gaba, gaba, kachifo. PM just don't want to do what she said because she won't be able to go without greeting anybody. Because no yabo, ya abaka na azun wana agent. Did you hear that? Na Chioma Senior gave them matter. Let me take it back a little bit. Odogunwa, blah, 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 blah. So, Nikki, not Nikki, yeah, he called herself Nikki Kiru. That must be her voice. Na Chioma Senior gave them matter. So it start from beginning again. Now, here something happened. After she did that thing, greeting, hugging PM and all that, because she hugged multiple times. In the other video, you will see her, approaching where she approached PM. She just mount herself at exit door where PM will exit from the court. She placed herself somewhere there to hug, and she was turning around, hugging PM, holding tight and all that. Listen, I'm not against hugging PM. What I'm against is the intention. Okay, not hugging PM is not a problem. There's nothing wrong with that. But my problem, or rather, what I dictate from that is that there's a very hidden, dirty agenda that comes with that. Just like what you're going to see here now. This is after the court section. Biafrans people are here outside. I will start by, let me start from the beginning. Pay attention here. Just pay attention. Okay. They serve the right, but pay attention here. So after hugging because this one is the lengthen one. So Lasuba, and Nkiru was discussing something here. Nkiru was reporting to Lasuba that somebody they wish and they don't want the person to hug PM. I don't know the person, but watch. Now this Lasuba, that's the conversation between Nkiru and Lasuba. Adanne Ibayam Obilioma. Osiamba, Osia, thank God. Osia, you mean it? Osia, no beauty. No coachapla, coachap. Osia, thank you. No, I fetch. In our Tana. Nan, the Uyembe, Webrazeba, Animo Bunu Yembe. Where Potasa side. Where say no yabo negative focus level. This is the reason why I'm actually recording the video. I'm actually repeating it for you to hear. Can matter the intention and the agendas of those parading themselves that they're in charge, they're this, they're that. Listen. Now let's go back. Osia Obilioma, Osiamba, Osia Nobiode, Osia Imilia. Osia Obilioma, Siamba. How this pastor being now? Lasuba made the video now where not a fake pastor. Fancy United. As long as you are ready to attack DPM, attack USB government, you are a friend. No matter your sins are forgiven. Even if you pay people, no problem. That is what Jeremiah Igbo Sabotua. That's what they know how to do best. I'm gonna go back again. So connect it to what she did here. Connect it to what she did here. My own is to link it to let you know. Connect it to this. People are having handshake, greeting. Oh yeah, but this is the woman we are seeing here is called Rubin Nade. Oh yeah, Rubin Nade. Okay. Now, they say, "Oye na-eme Chioma na-emepe ọma na-ezukwa ma nwa n'ochie ebe a handshake a na-enyekwe ọsị odogodogo bla 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 ọpụza side wele eme na ọya na-emepe ọma na-eme Chioma ngwa odogo ngwa bla 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 ị na-anya na Chioma si na ga-ebi ọma taa ka ị mata na ote na-ese plan ime Chioma na imepe ọma na ime Chioma ebe a ka o bido. And the fact that's an attribute of now, I am representing PM. I am the one that PM is working with. I am the one most trusted and most halfly trusted and all that nonsense. This is what they are doing. A professor dragging Ibioma, judging her, validating herself by a number of Obia. And they always sabotage each other. Notice what happened here again, because I just noticed something here. This hand went very close to capture the movement of their conversation. Which is a why. Man, focus on position camera very, very well. It's a good long if each man attack PM nanti. They go hand there. They always plan to sabotage ahead. Now again, if that one mama will come and drive very close. One mama will come and drive very, very close. I'm going near one man, I'm going to answer if I find a hookah. Ya gaze with the movement of the lips. In an effort that should be a call people also call people who also name a poem and name a Chioma. No, my every good in simply a put up one or your boy people leave me. Ya gave a chicken and yours a man dream. I could answer, Gigabaka, maybe go man. Gabaka, maybe go like was okay. Gabaka. Or if I give me maybe a rule goodness. Or I call a lever. Now, second, no, ya. Name a poem. Name a Chioma. In Africa. No, Bioma. When I say thank God. Not virtual. What again? So, can I believe him?